Do you want to make this viral name tracking effect in Davinci Resolve? Start by having your clip on your timeline. I have this raw clip of Mbappe walking on the field. Now, before you get started, go to your browser and search for a red triangle. Download the one you like. Now search for PixelCut AI. Click on the first link. It will take you to the homepage of the website. Click on Remove Background here and select your image. Press Remove Background. Then download this image. Once you're back in Davinci Resolve, select your clip and go to the Fusion page. Press Control Space and search for Tracker. Go to this little playhead and drag it to your player's head. Reduce the size of this outer box. Now, change the adaptive mode to best match and start tracking forward. Go to Operations and change it to Match Move. The tracking on our clip is working now. Open File, Explore, and drag the triangle onto the Fusion page. Attach Median 2 with the tracker. Now, we can see that the triangle is actually moving with our player, but it's too big to fix that. Select your PNG and search for Transform and add it. Now, you can adjust the size and position of your triangle, but that's not enough. You can see that as our player moves. The PNG gets further away from his head. To fix that, select this keyframe icon and go to every point where the triangle has bad positioning and just change the values to where you want it to be. As you can see, our triangle is now moving perfectly with the player. Select your PNG again and search for text. Add the text and write the name of your player. If you don't see the text, don't worry, just increase the size of the text. Now, adjust the text positioning according to your liking. Change the color according to your preference. To create an outline around the text, go to the Shading tab. Click on this 2 here. Check this enabled box. Change the color to black. Adjust the thickness according to your liking. And now, your name tracking effect is complete. And here's the final result. Use this in your videos to go viral. Subscribe for more Davinci Resolve tutorials.